Hello, friends. This is a Pentium 4 processor. Very low cost. No gold-plated pins. Small gold value. Some copper and SMT capacitors. And solder. But this solder is very special. The value of solder is more than all gold in this processor. This is pure indium metal. Indium is the softest metal and it remains softest in space. Price of indium is very similar like silver, and the price is rising every month. I dissolve indium in acid and electroplate copper coin. This coin is very slippery metal, feeling like ice. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.